Right, on we go. So this is a route I picked the other day. Not so much off-roading, byways, green lanes, it's more back lanes, but I've no idea whether these roads are open or not. So look, I've got here, there is actually a road, supposedly, and this is supposed to take you all the way off-road onto these tracks. Now this is saying this is a dead end. I'm not sure actually. Give it a go. Okay, so it's been peeing it down all night, but there's obviously loads of crud on the road, as you can imagine. There's farm tracks and stuff, so there's going to be lots of crap on there as well. Expect tractors to be coming around the corners, all that kind of stuff. And these are one of those things when I was, in one of my last videos I was talking about planning your routes and planning for the little tracks, the white marked tracks on your ordnance survey maps. Sometimes you actually don't know if they're private roads or not. You see, you just keep on going. So I've got a feeling this is it. I mean, this is a track. It's one of those white tracks. There was a dead end sign at the entrance. So I don't exactly know what that means, but this looks like, so I don't know where. I'll give it a go anyway. So, there we go. There we go. Oh, that's a bit rough underneath that one. You know what, let me just change the setting here, because I'm still on road. There we go. Complete. Good. That's good. Okay. Let's see what it is now. So sometimes these tracks are saying they're not dead ends, you can't get through, but actually they're not. They're okay. Now this may indeed be a private track. But it doesn't say sort of private track, no through road and everything like that. So obviously I'm still on road tyres, I still haven't got my knobblies on, so you know, I'm still sort of taking it quite gingerly as well. Just got to be aware of where I'm going, really. Still very slimy up ahead, as you can tell, especially in my front wheels just slipping out all over the place, but sort of rolling along. Just keeping it going. So I've got a feeling at the end here I may indeed need to turn back, but we'll kind of see how that goes, really. Yeah, so let's see right here. So this is saying that's a track. Obviously there is some kind of a road access here. I'm not exactly sure how this is going. Okay, so that might not be a, okay. I'm not sure to see what the sign says here, because that may indeed in fact be a road or a byway.